If you had to guess, well, what is the legal limit?
I have no idea.
It's 0.08.
What does that mean?
Because you're over 21.
What does that mean?
And right now you're at a point. How much have you had to drink tonight, Emma?
None.
You've had something.
Some?
Yeah, you've had some.
Not enough to drive.
Okay. Hop out for me, would you?
Okay.
So the reason I ask is I can smell odor of alcohol coming from inside the car, okay? So I want to make sure you're okay to drive.
Of course.
So I can't tell if it's you or if it's them that's been drinking, right? I see you're wearing a wristband. Where's the wristband from?
Emporium. Timber.
Timber, okay.
We're going from Emporium right now.
Okay. Have you had any alcohol tonight?
I have.
Okay. How much have you had to drink tonight?
1 beer.
How long ago?
At like 9 p.m.
Okay.
At Timber here. And then I was driving them to Emporium, and then we came back to Timber to get their car.
Okay. Would you mind doing some voluntary field sobriety tests to make sure you're safe to drive?
Yes. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1009. Oh, sorry. My balance is off. 1008, 1010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2014, 2015, 2015, 2016.
You can stop.
Okay.
Go ahead and put your foot
Sorry,
down.
I don't have good balance.
I get it. It's a little cold out here too,
My apologies.
Hello. Drive?
Yes.
Do you have a jacket by chance?
I have
It's chilly out here and it's going to take a few minutes.
Yes.
You can put your jacket on if you want
Okay,
to.
thank you.
16 out testing. 16 out testing. We're gonna step up here on the sidewalk.
Okay.
That way we're out of the road. Okay. So like I said, these are all voluntary.
Mm-hmm.
Have you had any head trauma in the last 24 hours?
No.
Been in any car wrecks or anything?
No.
Okay. I'm going to have you put both feet together, hands at your side, and I want you to remain in this position while we do this first one, okay? Do you wear contact lenses or glasses?
I do not.
Okay. You see the tip of the pen right there?
Yes.
Can you follow it with your eyes and your eyes only for me?
Is it okay if I blink?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, for this last one, we're going to go up. Same thing, keep your head still just with your eyes. Okay. So for this next one, we're going to, imagine a straight line out in front of you.
Okay.
Your left foot's on that line right now. I want you to put your right foot in front of it, touching heel to toe, just like I am right now.
Okay.
Can you do this for me? Keep your hands at your side, and I want you to remain in that position while I explain and demonstrate the next test, okay? Do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay, so you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps down that line. You're going to take a series of small steps to turn around, come back the way you are, and take 9 more
So 9
heel-to-toe.
steps, then turn around.
Yep, and then 9 heel-to-toe steps back. It's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, and so on. Go ahead and get back in that position for me. There you go. So you're going to take 9 steps. I took 3. When you get to that 9th step, you're going to take a series of small steps around your lead foot, and you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps back.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, and so on until you get to 9.
Okay.
During this one, I want you to look down at your toes, count each step out loud, keep your arms at your side, and once you begin the test, don't stop until you're completed.
Okay.
Do you understand those instructions?
So go 9 forward, then come 9 back?
Yep. So 9 heel-to-toe steps down, turn as I instructed, and 9 heel-to-toe steps back.
Okay.
I can demonstrate again if you'd like me to.
No, I think I understand.
Okay.
Okay, I just want to make sure.
Yep, and that's
Okay,
that's fine. I have no problems with asking questions. All right.
Good?
Yep. Go ahead and turn and face back towards me. So we're going to go back to that first position again, feet together, hands at your side. The next one's a one-leg stand.
Okay.
Pick a leg of your choice, raise it approximately 6 inches off the ground. You're going to keep your toe pointed so your foot's flat to the ground, and you're going to look at your toe and count out loud, 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on until I tell you to stop.
Okay.
During this one, I want you to look down at your toe, count as instructed, arms at your side, and keep your legs straight.
Okay.
Do you have any questions on that one?
No, just until you stop.
Yep.
Okay.
Give me just a second here. Which leg are you going to raise up?
My right.
Okay. You may begin.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1009. Oh, sorry. My balance is off. 1008, 1010, 1011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2014, 2015, 2015, 2016.
You can stop.
Okay.
Go ahead and put your foot
Sorry,
down.
I don't have good...
If you had to guess, well, what is the legal limit?
I have no idea.
It's 0.08
What does that
because you're
mean?
over 21.
What does that mean?
And right now you're at a point.
Boom. 0.166 on the PBT, over twice the limit. Emma's world flips, from one beer to cuffs. This is where denial crumbles. She's 22, first adult mess up, and the officer explains calmly. Emotions run high, fear, regret. Law doesn't care about excuses, it's about public safety. Twice the limit means real danger on roads. I feel for her, but accountability saves lives.
Okay. All right. So first things first here, I got to read you your rights, okay? So right now you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to the presence of an attorney during questioning, and if you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed for you prior to questioning if you so desire. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights, not make any statements or answer any questions. Do you understand these rights?
Yes.
Okay. Just so you're aware, I am recording as well.
Okay.
I'm recording.
Do you have anything in your pockets? Is there any pockets?
No, I have
Okay.
nothing.
All right.
So, what does a DUI look like? Like, I don't understand. Like, I've never had a DUI, so I don't know.
We'll explain all that when we get there. So we're going to go to Pullman Police Department, and that's where we go through the DUI process, okay? So we're going to go back here to my car. Okay. Will you now submit to a breath test?
Yes.
Do you have any confusion regarding the implied consent warnings? That's the ones we just
I
read.
do, but
Okay. What kind of confusion?
if I give the breath test, if it's not pliable, what will happen?
I can't. So
Because I can't tell you what, because obviously we're in here because of the breath test, but if it's
So,
not accurate still, how many days?
The one we did out there was
Of
a
course.
preliminary breath test, and it's not
Okay.
in lieu of the evidentiary breath test. This here is the evidentiary breath test.
Okay.
Does that better explain it?
What is the evidentiary?
This is the one that can be used in the court.
Okay. So if it's not legal still, what will happen then is I guess what I'm asking.
What do you mean not legal?
Like if I'm not able to drive then, which is what you're looking for, correct?
I believe you're impaired, which is why
Okay.
you're under arrest.
Yes.
And this helps determine what level of impairment you are.
So based off of the level of impairment, it shows me how long will I spend incarcerated is what I'm saying.
It depends on the whole portion of the investigation.
Okay. So,
I can't answer that question right now.
But further,
I
that question
can
will be answered?
I can refer
That's
you.
my question.
I can refer you back to this, but that's all I can refer you to.
Until
That's an attorney question because you've spoken with an attorney. I
Okay.
can't go over
I didn't
anything
see.
more.
Okay, I didn't know about the breath test or anything when I was asking.
But he should have explained that to you.
Okay.
He knew why
guess-
you were under
okay.
arrest, which is where he should have explained these processes to you, which I can't give you legal advice. I can tell you why I arrested you, which I did. I believed you're impaired. That breath test out there was a preliminary one, not in lieu of the evidentiary. This one here is the evidentiary. So I can give you those explanations.
Okay.
But as far as, okay, so it printed out your results.
Okay.
So it looks at your breath two different ways. It's called IR and EC. This first one is your first breath sample. This one here is your second breath sample. So your first result was a 0.180, and your second one was a 0.179. Okay, so you're more than double the legal limit. Okay, so one of these copies will be yours. So the other portion of this is in that implied consent, if your breath sample is over the 0.08, the Department of Licensing is going to suspend your driver's license, okay? I know your license is through Idaho, but the state of Washington is going to suspend your license.
What does that mean?
Yeah, so
can drive in Washington?
there's two portions to a DUI. There's what's called the criminal investigation, which is the court process, and then there's a civil side of it.
Okay.
This portion of suspending your driver's license is the civil side of it.
Okay.
And so DOL, this form explains what to do in order to contest the suspension of your driver's license. Because you're out of state, I don't know the process of how that works.
What does contest? You say contest? Contest? What does that mean?
Means argue.
Argue?
Argue.
Argue.
You're
Okay,
right.
okay,
Like
okay.
you don't agree your license should be suspended.
Okay, okay.
That's what this form does, is it allows you to contest the suspension. But
Okay.
Hello? Hi, are you sleeping? Okay, it's important. I need you to listen. I got arrested for a DUI. So my bail is $500 cash. If you could get that out of my
cash or card, they can bring card
then
too.
I can get bailed out. Whitman. So I'm in the police car now. I'm getting transported to Colfax.
Yep.
But they gave me my phone to contact anybody until I get to Colfax. So I'm going to jail right now. In jail. No. But if you can get the money out of my yes, to Colfax. And just so if you go to Dad's house and you have your key and then my safe number. No, he didn't answer. Called him first. But if you my safe number is bail me out in Colfax. Do you have the key? Okay. I won't have my phone once I get to Colfax. So it's in Pullman by Timber, which is a club. Yeah. So excuse me.
Yep.
Should I be able to get my phone and my key if I get bailed out?
Yep.
Okay, so I should be able to get my phone and my key once I'm bailed out, and then I'll be able to drive to my car and then have my phone as well. Well, yes, but I'll be able to get to my car or have my key to get there. I'm driving to Colfax right now in the police car. And so you have the key to Dad's house, correct? Okay, do you remember the passcode to my safe? Yes, pound. And then grab cash whatever you need out of there, and then just come to Colfax. And if you need extra money for yourself because it's an inconvenience, then that's okay. Okay. I'm sorry. I called Dad first, but he didn't answer. I haven't seen him for like 2 days, and he hasn't been answering me for 2 days. So. Well, you know, Colfax, I'll be there until you come with the bail.
Just to confirm, DUI is 500 bail.
Just type in Colfax. So
Perfect, thank you.
so where you would park normally, and then walk in where it looks like the courtyard is, and then you walk to the right, and then you walk in, and then you just ask for who you like, Emma Bailey, and then you give them the cash, sign, and then I should be able to get out. Okay. You remember the passcode again? Yes. So like hashtag sign. That's what it is. Pound. Hashtag sign. It's in my safe is next to my bed on the bench. Okay. And if you can't find it, then I'll just give you whatever you want afterwards. You don't even like I'll just give you extra money or whatever. Okay. Okay. I love you. Thank you so much.
One of these stays in here.
That bail call apologizing, coordinating cash from her safe. Vulnerability peaks, family steps up, but the shame's real. From club wristband to jail transport, it's a wake-up. She's cooperative, which helps, but consequences linger. Suspension, court, emotional roller coaster, folks.